Mindfulness, my road away from anxiety. I share this a lot. Anxieties shaped my life in a way that is really still surprising to me. I always felt, and it really was hell that was here for me and with me for almost 20 years. And I'm so excited that you can read more about it in my upcoming book that I'm co-authoring, volume 2 of Women Thrive book. So I hope we will be in touch so you can buy a copy and read more about my journey. But today I would love to share more what helped me with the healing journey. And it was really a journey, so it's not that one thing helped, but today I would love to share more about the mindfulness part that was really a big and important part in my healing. Of course, the therapies and the healing of traumas in my body and in my soul were really important in that. But in the moments when I feel anxiety, the therapy sessions that are planned, I don't know, in a few months, in a month or two, aren't there for me. So when I feel the anxiety coming up, I learned that escaping from my body isn't the way. And I think that most of us do that and try to do that. So it's in the way that, okay, I feel that, so I need to run away from it, run away from that thought, run away from the environment. But often it makes the anxiety even worse. What helped me was a really little and gentle technique of mindfulness. And I love two of them, and I would love to share them here with you. So the first one is realizing what my skin feels from my toes to my head. So if I'm lying down, how my legs feel, where are my toes, what do they feel beneath them, and I go up, up, up towards my head. And that really puts me in the here and now and switches off my brain, because my mind is what creates the anxiety. So this is the first technique. And the second one is really similar, but it uses all your senses. So the first one is, again, it's the same, the skin. So I don't need to do in the second technique the entire body, but I concentrate on whatever feels okay. So I like to concentrate on my legs, on my toes. I don't know why, it just calms me down more easy than if I would concentrate on my belly, on my back, on my hands. I don't know why. Test it out yourself, what helps you most. So I concentrate on the senses of my skin. What do I feel? Then I switch to another sense. What do I smell? What do I breathe in? What do I smell around me? Then what do I hear? What are the sounds that are in my vicinity? Then I switch to my sight. What do I see? What are the colors that I see? What are the structures that I see? And these techniques are really amazing for me, and they take a few seconds. And if you need, they can take a few minutes, but they calm my nervous system amazingly. So let me know below what helps you, because there are much more ways that I always help myself with anxieties. And in the long term, it's been homeopathics and all the tapping techniques like EFT or therapy sessions and healing, energy healing, and stuff like that. But I also love these little things that help me in the day-to-day living. So let's share below, let's share in the comments what helped you, and follow me for more of my sharing, more of my life, because it's not only business, it's our health, it's our life, it's our harmony that we bring to our day-to-day existence. So let's be in contact, share with me what you would love to know more about. What should I share? What helped you? And of course, what are your techniques that help you? And see and hear each other next time. Have an amazing day.